Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Again, I'm in my room. I just promised everybody that I'm going to do a reading, so I really hope that it doesn't matter whether I'm all dressed up or not. I'm in my night suit all ready to go to bed early today. So I just wanted to give you a guidance reading for what's coming up in March for you. So I just have two piles because I don't have crystals in my room. So I thought I will not be able to do a longer reading. I'd rather give you a better reading with two piles. So there is pile 1, which is this, and there's pile 2, which is this. So you guys can choose, and I'll give you guys a moment to think about it, and then I'll start the reading for guidance for the March. Let's start with the first pile. People who have chosen this pile, the guidance here is for you guys that you have a lot of high hopes. You're going to have a lot of wishful thinking, or you would want a lot of stuff to come true for yourself, or there are particular points in life that you're wanting that there's a checklist. I need this done. You're going to feel in your power. You're going to feel as if I have my finances right, I have my money in check, I have all my career in check. You would want all of this to happen in the month of March, but I see in the later part, as in the third week, you might just feel a little let down by certain things. You will get even frustrated by the end of March, but you don't fret. Stay in your power, stay in your energy. A suggestion: do not speak rudely or be shrewd to people around you. Whosoever tries to approach you or tries to give you some suggestions, just stay in your power and don't let yourself down with whatever circumstances you're going to face, because the energy card here is coming off victory, which clearly states that you will get this thing sorted, whatever it is that you're asking, but just stay in that power. Your miracle message here is: my positive energy leaves a powerful impression on the world. I have given this message a lot of times in a lot of readings. Just have a read. This has got a lot to do with what I've just explained you, that don't let yourself down no matter what you face in the coming month. You will get frustrated, but that's the way it is going to be. It's just the testing times probably. You just have to stay positive, probably because there's a lot of people around you who are probably learning from the energy that you have and the positive attitude that you have towards life. I'm going to shuffle the card for another suggestion that comes up for you. New exercise program. If you get frustrated, as you see, there's a lot of purple, there's a lot of yellow. This states you just try to stay connected spiritually a little bit. New exercise program could also mean an exercise program for your brain, for your soul, and of course for your body. Anything that is going to frustrate you, as I just explained, you're going to get frustrated in the third week of and the fourth week of March. The only way to cope up with this frustration would be to have a new exercise program, again for the mind, body, and soul. And here yellow stating take care of what you're intaking, as in your food, take care of your diet. Again, diet makes a lot of difference as far as your meditation is concerned, as it's clearly saying exercise program, like I said, for your brain, for your soul. So be very mindful of what you eat. Probably you could just stay off tamasic foods, that is the non-veg and the liquor, and just keep it to the minimum if you can for the month. And I'll take out an angel message as well for you. That could just mean anything or nothing at all connected with the reading. It's just an angel message for the month of March. Reconsider. Now, I don't know, this message could mean very different for different people, as there's a lot of blue. I would say reconsider means you're going to be frustrated. The blue stands for our throat chakra. Be very careful and mindful of what you speak to people. You are frustrated, fine. Everybody is dealing with their own set of issues, but don't pile on yours on someone else. Be mindful about that. Reconsider here is, again, it could also be taken as reconsider your diet, reconsider your life pattern, reconsider the way you're living. It could just mean about anything. That is it for the first group. Let's start with the pile 2, people who have chosen the Om deck. Okay, so your suggestion and your guidance here is you're going to be juggling with a lot of thoughts. You're going to be confused in the first 2 weeks. You might feel whether should I be doing this or that. In the probably the third week, you might just get frustrated. Not frustrated is not the actual word. You might just get let down. You will feel let down by this would go for a specific amount of people. You might feel let down by 3 things in life, or 3 people, or 3 tasks that you had in hand and you were not able to do or achieve. And also you will be in a place where you will not take any bullshit. You will be in a place where you'll be like, talk to the hand, I'm dealing with my problems, I know what I'm going through, you don't have to give me a suggestion. This is how you're going to feel and behave. But the suggestion for you is to try and be in a very nice energy, as in the King of Cups. Try to be like this and not like this, where you're just trying to cut throat of anybody who's coming across to you. Understood, you were let down, understood, but don't try to look at everything in the same pattern. That's a suggestion. And King of Cups is the energy that you should be in. That is, yes, you are heartbroken, yes, you are tired of the situation, but don't take it out on others. I think the same thing came in the first pile as well. But be very kind to people around you who are trying to help you or probably give you suggestions. If you do not do so, you just might feel more let down and more confused, and you'll just keep thinking your actions again and again. Also, you might just feel you'll have to be in a situation where you will say, showing people something else you are internally not feeling good, but that's how you have to be in that place, because there is something that you have to. This is the energy that has come for you, the thinking man. It's very clear that this is you, and you have a crystal cluster in your hand. That means the man is looking at his life. Where did I go wrong? What could possibly be my mistake, and how could I redo the things or rewrite my past mistakes, or what should I have done? You just have to sit and think about it, rather than putting blame on others, or shunning others down, or talking to them badly. Your miracle message here is, I surrender my desires and I know the universe has my back. This kind of a thought process only comes when you're in the quiet mode. And that is exactly that you have to do. I will take out another suggestion card for you for an advice. Changing your mind. There's a lot of reds. Red talks about our root chakra, which is at the base of our spine. Now, there is a lot of yellow as well. This means you can be nice to people, but because you are so let down, or probably you're just losing it all, that you might just be harsh to others. That's the reason why I said you're going to be like this. But instead, you have to keep controlling yourself to be in this position or in this energy. So here this is saying, try to change your mind. If you are a person who's generally rude to people, just keep shut. Don't snap back at people around you. Where are the angel cards? Your angel message, again, it's not necessary it's going to be regarding the reading. It could just be a simple message from the angels to you. In the near future, I cannot explain this. It's clear that whatever it is that you're asking, or you're feeling, or you're expecting, the answer from the angels is in the near future. So here it's just saying, change your mind, have the faith, have the trust, and just go with the flow instead of just getting depressed and not trusting people. Just take it as a break, take it slow with whatever it is that you're facing. a small reading. Again, tomorrow I will do a proper reading which has at least 4 choices, with a lot of requests that have come on Instagram. I asked you people to point out and write down in the comments. So I will go one by one in everything, and I'll give 4 choices in one reading, and we'll see how that reading goes. Till next time, all of you take care of yourself. Have a beautiful night. Jai Bhole.